Yes, the secret is finally out. Congratulations to beautiful Nollywood actress Sonia Uche. In case you're still wondering, yes, this is our beautiful so under the veil. You can see how beautiful and gorgeous she looks in this wedding gown. So, firstly, I will encourage you guys to please watch this video till the very end. This is not the kind of video that you skip or you stop halfway and run off with half-baked gist. This is the kind of video that you have to relax, be patient, take your time and digest this video till the very end, because we are going to be revealing a lot in this video. We are going to be revealing a lot of things in this video.
Negodi my so look at my pretty damsel Kano. This girl is so pretty. Hello. Sonia Uche will make a very beautiful bride. Like, we can't wait any longer. It should start raining already. Try make I no talk much, make her play, make una continue to the listen.
Sonia Uche's personal verified Instagram page confirming that she got married. In my mind, I was like, when did she really get married? What happened? Who is the lucky guy? Like, is it our own Maurice or is it someone else? Who stole our princess hearts away? So these are the questions I was asking myself. I decided to go down to the comment section to see things for myself. And lo and behold, the comments was flooded with congratulatory messages from her fans, her friends, and even her family, which convinced me further that this is real. I was like, why is Chinenebe not the bridesmaid? Why is someone else the bridesmaid? But again, I thought to myself, it's possible that Sonia Uche wants someone else, maybe her best friend, to be the bridesmaid. In as much as I wanted this to be a real wedding, this is actually a movie, guys. It is a movie, a banga, a hit movie that is coming soon, very soon, on Sunday precisely. Is a movie titled Bound by Vow.
My country people, in as much as I wanted this particular picture to be real, guys, it is actually a movie. This movie will be dropping tomorrow, so please let's support our girl. I beg, as the movie they drop, make we just go show her love for YouTube. I beg, once the movie drops, I will drop it on my page so that you guys will know that the movie is out and you will go and watch. Let's support her. Okay guys, stay safe out there. Bye.